Attorney General Leslie Rutledge and her team work to mediate all types of complaints, including those filed in response to deceptive business practices. Leslie joins us today with a few of the most common complaint categories, and it's so good to see you, Leslie.
Thank you so much. Glad to be here.
Thank you for coming today. The most common complaint that you receive, that category is about car sales.
That's right. Automobiles are the biggest thing that people call, file complaints about, or come in person. It's usually with regard to financing or perhaps with repairs. If they have had to have repairs made and perhaps they did not get the sort of service that they had expected. So we warn people to don't go over budget, to know if you need insurance, or when you go to buy a car, if you're going to need that extended repair warranty, so to speak. And so to think of those things as you are purchasing a vehicle.
Okay, and I know that high pressure tactics is something that a lot of people have complained about too.
Absolutely. Whether you're buying a car or truck, or even in other areas, perhaps you're getting your home worked on, to really try to avoid those high pressure sales tactics. Take those contracts home, read them, think about it, that car will be there tomorrow, and if not, that's not the car for you.
That's a great way to put it. It really is. Then again, if it sounds too good to be true, then it is.
Absolutely. That's everything we deal with.
Yeah, definitely. Another big complaint category, and this probably is no surprise to a lot of people, but it's medical related, billing and that kind of thing.
Certainly, when people are perhaps charged or signed up for Medicare that they don't want or need, or the prescription drug prices. So we tell people, encourage them, talk to your doctor about your plan. Look at your insurance. Know exactly what your insurance covers. And this will help avoid some of those common complaints that we see, is really talking to your doctor, talking to your physician, and talking to your insurance company as well.
Okay, and you actually released a list of the 10 most common complaint categories, and we have a full screen that we can put up that lists some of those as well. But you get a lot of calls and a lot of complaints into your office, right?
We do over 8,000 every single year that we help Arkansans work through and just investigate, and hopefully if they have lost money, then we'll help them recover it. It may be a overcharge of 25 cents on a phone bill, or it may be several thousands of dollars. And so we just encourage people to give us a call, let us know how we can help. That's 800-482-8982. Visit us on the web or come see us in person. We also do mobile offices all across the state where we have someone in person in your area to take those complaints.
When you can't get help if you don't ask, right?
That's right, and you can't get help if you don't know where to go, and so come to us at the AG's office.
How does the process work? We have just enough time to cover this.
Sure.
I mean, when you get one of these complaints, what are the steps that come next?
Sure. Well, someone will call the Attorney General's office and visit with one of our phone counselors, investigators, take down that information, send it in, then we will begin the investigation to determine who the company is. If it's a legitimate claim, then we will continue following up, depending on the investigation, how in depth it is. Every situation is different. Then hopefully we'll be able to recover that money, or to at least let that person know that it was a bad deal. If it's out of country, these phone calls, these scammers that call, and folks send thousands of dollars. And unfortunately, when it's out of country, it's very difficult for us to recover that money. But we do immediately assign an investigator, an attorney to that.
All right, helping you out this morning, Attorney General Leslie Rutledge. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Definitely appreciate it. We're going to take a quick break. We'll have more THC 11 News this morning coming up.